So, to gloss or not to gloss? Chico glossy, because I don't know. You know, let's just gloss it.
I love the country love. It feels good to hear people singing welcome back. And I ain't even.
Oh, I hate it when I turn off my music. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time watching, my name is Shalewa and thank you for stopping by. So today I'm going to be showing you a very simple swift looking look, you know, just something very simple. It's going to be a pinkish look, and honestly I'm not a fan of pink. I really do not like pink, especially not pink on the lips. I don't think it suits me and I just don't like it. Anyway, so let's just jump right into this video. So my face is moisturized. I'm going to skip primer today because honestly I'm going to take off this look right after I film, take some pictures, do some, you know, thirst traps I will end up sending to nobody. So there's no point wasting primer. Makeup is expensive, there's no point. So I'm just going to jump right into foundation. Foundation today I'll be using the Maybelline Super Stay foundation in the shade Truffle. I'm just going to put this on a mixing palette, about 2 drops. So for concealer today I'll be using the Zaron foundations, Healthy Glow foundations as concealer. I've tried this once and I liked the finish of it. I'll be mixing the FZ35 and the FZ15. So I'm just going to be mixing these 2 shades together, and it's really full coverage. I think I added too much of the very light one, but I'm going to make this work. I have a full video where I used just Zaron product. I used the foundation. I used this foundation. So I'm just going to link it somewhere so that you can check out that video if you want to see how this foundation performs on its own. So I'm just going to do the rest of my face. So I'm just going to set the highlighted areas, and I'm going to set this really lightly by this, really lightly, because this foundation sets on its own. So there is really no need to bake. Next, I'm going to warm up the face using my Iman powder in F5, and this powder is so warm. To deepen the contour, I'm going to be using the Zaron Face Definer, and I'll be using the shade in XD15. And to blend everything together, I'm going to be using my Fashion Fair Oil Control Pressed Powder in Kola. So next, I'm going to do my brows, and I'll be using the and I'll be using the Bomb Brow Pencil. So I'm going to go ahead and set my brows with the Bomb Brow Set Gel. And I'm going to go straight into the eyeshadow. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to dip a blending brush onto my normal face powder, and I'm just going to swipe that all over the transition area. This makes it easier for eyeshadow to blend. So I'm going to start with an earthy tone shade for my transition color. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow from MAC. I don't remember the name of this eyeshadow at the moment, but I'm going to leave it below in the description box. And I'm just going to pack that right into place. I'm going to break that forward. I'm going to go into my Morphe 35K eyeshadow, and I'm just going to paste that right there. there's really nothing like a good bronzy shade on dark skin. It works all the time. So I'm just going to go back in with that blending brush and blend. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw on some pigment. I'll be using this pigment from Inglot. It's in the number 24. It's just going to bring a little bit of life onto the eyelid. Now I have this down stick on and I don't know how I'm going to apply this. I'm just going to place that just like that. I'm not sure if I'm going to do any thick wing or anything. I'm not yet sure. So I'm just going to go ahead and put on eyelashes, and I'm using this one from Shade Crown. I think this is called Lagos. I don't know why I scratched off the name, but this is called Lagos and it's so beautiful. Yes, so dramatic and so beautiful at the same time. I said I wasn't going to line my eyes. Somehow I kept looking at it and I decided to line. I did just a very tiny wing because honestly I don't think this eye look needs, but looking at it again I think it needs something longer. Let me do this one and then I'll see if it does. If I regret this, go back. So I'm just going to use a little bit of eye primer on my lower lid so that the color can really pop. I'm just going to use that same brush to pack on some color. I'll be using this from PRO. It's called Eye Candid. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit of this corally shade. It has beautiful silvery shimmer. I pulled this out from an eyeshadow palette, I cannot remember which, and now I feel like I'm going to line my under eye. I'm just changing everything. I'm just going to lightly line my under eye with this Marble pencil. Anyway, so in the inner tear ducts, I'm just going to use that same corally shade, and I'm going to use mascara on my lower lashes. So the next thing I'm going to do is complete the rest of my face, and I'm going to use this blush from Milani. It's called Red Vino. I'm using the Yanga Candid Glow highlighter in Oh Baby. I'm just going to add a little bit more highlighter. So this is a bronzy rose gold shade. Just going to add that here. So onto the lips, lip balm with a brown lip liner. So I'm going to go in first with the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Madison. This has more of lilac to it than pink. I'll be using the Nuban Pro Matte in Voodoo. Voodoo Bravo. And I'm just going to be placing that right in the middle to give this a more pinkish vibe. So, to gloss or not to gloss? She go glossy because I don't know. You know, let's just gloss it. Nothing is going to happen. Excuse me. You know what? Yeah, bad. Let me know, just leave me a comment below, which one do you prefer, the matte or this gloss? Once you gloss, you can't go back except to clean everything, and I ain't gonna do that. I don't think it's bad. Let's conclude this video. This completes the look, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. But before you go, please subscribe, please. A little, please, just a little subscribe. It's not going to take so much of your time. Just right here, just click right here. Thank you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.